chopping silage before the storm rolls through, getting the cover crop in before the temperature dips, wrapping up planting for the day in time to coach T-ball, hitting a new best on the yield monitor despite a touch-and-go spring. Massey Ferguson is here to help farmers reach new highs in business and in life. But new highs don't come from repeating the same old routine, and you don't carry on 5 generations of success by resting on the laurels of the previous generation. So we'll never stop pushing to help farmers keep pushing. And while we owe a great deal to our legendary roots, we wouldn't be doing our past justice if we fail to uphold our tradition of innovation that provides straightforward, dependable machinery to the world. We have a promise to keep, to engineer modern, high-performance, farmer-focused agricultural equipment. If a machine bears our name, it also bears our legacy of top performance, quality, reliability, and comfort. This promise leads us to what's next, a generation-defining tractor built to work, designed entirely around farmers. It's a new day for Massey Ferguson and farmers everywhere.
Hello, I'm Darren Parker, Vice President of Massey Ferguson North America, and thank you for joining us as we share the next giant leap forward for Massey Ferguson, the Massey Ferguson 8S tractor. The 8S represents a renewal of commitment that Massey Ferguson first made to its customers almost 2 centuries ago, to provide a straightforward and dependable machine that's truly powerful. Using input from you, the farmer, we designed the 8S tractor from the ground up to be reliable, simple to operate, and straightforward to use. The cutting-edge cab design will make even the toughest jobs more comfortable. Overall performance upgrades mean the tractor will work hard for you, and the intuitive controls means you can get right to work. You'll see new transmission options that offer the reliability you've come to expect from Massey Ferguson. You'll see operator-focused engineering from front to back, and you'll see new styling inside and out, including styling that pays homage to the Massey Ferguson history. The Massey Ferguson 8S tractor will be landing on dealer lots early in 2022, and I, for one, can't wait. Join us as we dive in and take a closer look.
There's a lot on my mind lately. Today, I have to get to the field before it gets too hot. Get it cut, make a couple phone calls, get back before dark, check the cows. It'll be a long day. Tomorrow will be different, but it'll still be long. Could be storms by Thursday, so I'll need to haul that tank over from the pasture. Maybe fix that south fence. Every day is like this. A new mission, all with the same goal. Make this year better than last year. Look, I'm no astronaut, but with a new mission every day, sometimes it feels like some are small steps, some are giant leaps, and I'll need the right equipment to get me there.
I've found you can plan about 50% of your day when you're farming. The rest is just gonna come at you, and you've got to do the best you can to come out on top. My son, he thinks you can have everything mapped out. He thinks the future is out there just waiting to be written. I think we're farmers. We put crops in the ground and work hard, and we get out what we put in. It's a simple plan, but it's worked for me all this time. I'll tell you another thing. You don't need everything to be new and shiny to get the job done.
When I think about the perfect tractor, I think about something versatile, dependable, nice looking, and tough. Pretty much like me. Well, better get started. Like Dad always says, the work won't do itself.
Introducing the Massey Ferguson 8S series, designed around what farmers need to reach new levels of productivity and comfort. It's the most farmer-friendly Massey Ferguson ever built. Long days, grueling tasks, hustling from yard to field and back again. When we designed the 8S series tractors, we had your day-to-day experience in mind. That's why we focused on comfort, from the seat to the suspension to the gap between engine and cab. That's why we focused on visibility in nearly any condition, giving you a 360-degree view, better sight lines, and a better lighting build-out. That's why we focused on simplicity, adding intuitive controls and 2 transmission options for a smoother ride. We focused on you so you can focus on what matters most, your operation. And we're not the only ones that think so. Internationally, we've taken home some serious hardware we're proud of from this year's award shows. The 8S is the winner of the prestigious Tractor of the Year Award for 2021, and its design earned the Red Dot Award. You don't see an everyday tractor like this every day.
Today's the first day of the future of this farm. Let's see if this tractor can keep up. Easy to use, fuel efficient, enough power to get the job done, easy to use technology. Now, for the biggest question of all, will Dad like it? He's been driving Massey Ferguson since before I was born, but he can be difficult. He doesn't like a lot of bells and whistles.
So they say this is the future, huh? How does this small engine generate 265 horsepower?
Straightforward and easy to use, dependable and efficient. That's his deal.
The kid finally got something right. This is one fine tractor, deserving of the Massey Ferguson name.
Check all the boxes. The Massey Ferguson 8S can hang with me all morning, all afternoon, and all night. Looks like when I go out in the morning, I'll have to start packing supper. I'll be proud to carry on my family farm, right alongside the Massey Ferguson name. Sure wish Grandpa was here to see this.